Hi, everyone. As you know, the US election is drawing near and it's going to be held on the 3rd of November. Well, I will be doing a seminar on the US election and its impact on the stock market. Well, we just witnessed an epic debate between Donald Trump and Joe Biden just this morning. Well, the first presidential debate turned out to be nothing but a lot of exchange of insults. And they were most of the time interrupting one another. The moderator had a tough time controlling these two guys. Well, if you have been watching them and looking at the Dow Jones futures, when it first started off, the futures were going up, and in fact, the Dow futures was up about 120 points, and just before it ended, well, the Dow futures came crashing and at one stage dropped 300 points. So why is all this happening? Why is the Dow futures so volatile and reacting to this debate between Biden and Trump? Well, I don't think we could declare a winner in this debate, but what I think caused the volatility on the stock market was that the market is sensing that this election is going to turn out to be something like a brawl, right? Like how the two of them debate, it was not the usual traditional debate that we used to watch. It is like a brawl, and this kind of uncertainty rubs into the stock markets, and people begin to feel, not so comfortable, with all this uncertainty, and that's why we're seeing the gyration in the stock market. Well, this election is shaping up to be the most contentious in the recent history. And there is a lot of money in the stock market riding on that outcome, which means, we can be making a lot of money if we are able to know the outcome and its impact on the stock market and the specific stocks, all the specific sectors. All right. It is widely viewed that Joe Biden's presidency could spell headache for the Wall Street in the form of higher taxes for corporates, while the President Donald Trump's tough stand on trade can continue to pressure corporates' profit margin. For many investors, the 2020 election could determine where to lay their bets after the stock market painful round trip this year caused by the coronavirus pandemic. So the up-and-coming elections may be a real departure from the norm that it is occurring in the midst of a global pandemic. All right, so it's going to be exciting, like what we have seen in the first debate. And, there's a lot of talk now about, if Biden were to win or if Trump were to win, which sectors, all right, which stock will benefit, all right? So this is what I'm going to be talking about, all right, in this seminar. I want to be telling you my insights into how we could all benefit, all right, from either a Biden win or Trump win. All right, so as it is, Biden is leading, all right, in the election poll. And just a little bit about one of Biden's most bold election campaign proposal, all right? So Biden, right, one of his most bold election campaign proposal. It's about alternative energy. He gives a strong support to alternative energy, and in fact, right, he even mooted the idea of a $2 trillion budget, all right, to boost up the alternative energy sector. All right. For example, tax credit extension will provide a boost for solar stock, and therefore, what other solar stock is going to benefit from it? All right. So, and also, you know, green energy sectors, all right, like electric vehicle, all right, it's going to benefit, and which stocks it's going to do well. All right, so you know, I don't want to go into much details, but you know, it's exciting, and come and listen to what I have to say about the coming election, which stocks will benefit, which sector will benefit, and how we should approach, all right, this election, and how we should prepare ourselves for it. All right. So I hope to see you, all right, in this coming seminar. More, please join me in my upcoming seminar. Seats are limited. Grab your seats while you can. For more of my market insights and trade ideas, see you at the next CyberCode special.